Okay, then it is the Ombudsman's Radio, and in case you're wondering what we're doing here, we're live coverage of the IBB University students' visit to the Public Complaint Commission. It's my pleasure to do this. My name is Lola Oduba. We're going to be talking with the secretary, representing the secretary to the commission today. She's going to introduce herself. Introduce yourself, ma.
I am Mr. Napi James, representing the privilege to represent the secretary of the commission, the person of Hajia Salama Pinchuma.
Okay, ma, what do you think about today's event?
Today's event was wonderful. We really appreciate the fact that IBB students, IBB university students and their lecturers deemed it fit to visit the Public Complaints Commission on excursion. It has been so wonderful because we are able to educate them on the operations and activities of the Public Complaints Commission, which sometimes other people misconceive. So we are happy today because we'll be able to impact the knowledge on the students that came.
Fantastic. And tell us, what do you think will be their take home when they leave here today?
I believe they will leave this place with a different perception of the Public Complaints Commission. Because I know before they came, many of them didn't understand how the commission operates, what exactly it's doing here, what is the scope or mandate of the commission. But by the few minutes we have spent with them, I believe we'll be able to give them a mindset about the commission or perception of the commission.
Thank you very much again. Tell us your names again, ma'am.
My name is Mrs. Hannatu James, Director of Administration, representing the Secretary to the Commission, who is also acting as the Honorable Chief Commissioner after his tenure has ended this month.
Thank you very much, ma. And kudos to a job well done.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, the program still continues. Don't go nowhere. We have, of course, the representatives from the IBB University who are going to be coming to tell us what their experience was like at today's event. So hold on and let's do that together. It's still the IBB University Student Excursion 2024 to the Public Complaint Commission head office here in Abuja. Tell us why you're here.
I'm Dr. Kamal Hamza of the Department of Political Science, Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida University, Lapai, United States. We came in here to take from the wisdom of Public Complaint Commission, from the experience of people who have been working for more than 30 years in this commission. Practical experience of what we have been teaching our children, our students in the classroom. And then impression of what the future is like on public complaints in Nigeria.
Tell us, what has any of your experiences that you have gathered over the years in the classroom changed after today's visit?
Yes, the first point of change was on the information that the Public Complaint Commission is no longer under the presidency. It's now under the National Assembly, which is a very good one. It shows the independence of the Public Complaint Commission and then the synergy between the Public Complaint Commission and the National Assembly.
Fantastic. Any take home from this experience?
Yes, another idea was from the National Assembly can investigate, but it isn't an executive body that can execute. But the Public Complaint Commission, even under the National Assembly, can still go to court and enforce some of those things that the National Assembly cannot enforce. This is a good one for the student. It's an update of the knowledge that we had in the past.
Fantastic. So it has been a rewarding experience. That's what you are saying.
It has been a very rewarding experience for the students and the lecturers.
Fantastic. So I guess that by the time you get to the classroom, even you have more things to teach about.
Yes, the perception and some of the things we are teaching will change. It will be updated.
Thank you very much. Your name again?
Dr. Kamal Hamza.
Thank you very much, Dr. Hamza. The program still continues. Don't go nowhere. We have more participants at this event who are going to be talking to you very shortly. Don't go nowhere.
Ibrahim Saliu Kombo from the Department of Political Science, Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida University, Lapai, United States.
Tell us, what has been your experience today at the Public Complaint Commission?
First and foremost, I've said I thank Almighty God to have actually made us to be here. In fact, thanking the organization firstly is an understatement as long as I'm concerned. Secondly, I've been hearing about the organization per se, and I've been reading about the organization also per se. I've heard about other organizations also how they have been hitting the ground running in terms of human rights. They are actually be doing more. I wish them more and more and more again.
Thank you so much. It's still the IBB University Students Excursion to the Public Complaints Commission headquarters here in Abuja. And we're going to be talking to one of the participants at today's event. Tell us your names, ma'am.
My name is Mrs. Aisha Denge.
And tell us what your experience has been like at the Public Complaint Commission today.
Today was an exceptional day. We got to learn a little bit about what PCC is all about, and especially the updated information of what PCC is all about, from its change from the presidency to the National Assembly to a lot of things that the students have been exposed.
Fantastic. Any take home from today's event?
A lot of take home. We have learned how free and independent, how it is safe for every individual in Nigeria to come and lay its complaint, and it will be attended to efficiently by the commission.
And I'm very sure you probably never knew it was a free service too.
Exactly. But we got to know that today,
Yeah.
and it has risen the hope of most of our future generation students who were here today to know that they have a safe place to channel their complaint wherever, whenever, and it will be.
Okay. Now, do you know about the Ombudsman's radio under the Public Complaint Commission?
Really? So
Yes.
there's a radio?
There is a radio station. So maybe next time when you come to the PCC, you want to take a thought of the Ombudsman's radio.
Sure, next
And
time.
meanwhile, while you're living here, everyone should endeavor to follow the Ombudsman's radio so that you can watch this and watch yourself on social media.
Sure, we'll do that. Right
Thank
away.
you so much.
My
Thank you
pleasure.
so much. Okay, tell us your name.
My name is Joel Wisdom Lajisu.
Okay, Joel, tell us, have you ever, before you came here today, heard about the Public Complaint Commission?
Not at all.
Wow. So coming here, what has been your experience and what have you learned about the Public Complaint Commission?
It's been an eye-opener, a moment where I've been enlightened about the PPC. So one of my intentions from here is to go and read more and get others educated about PCC.
Fantastic. So you enjoyed coming here.
Very well.
Thank you very much. Tell us your names, please.
My name is Comfort Damilola Jeremiah.
Okay, what was your favorite part of your excursion today to the Public Complaint Commission?
The entrance of this place, like the whole building, is so amazing. And seeing beautiful faces. I'm so proud seeing mommies and ladies saying things about government, law, and everything about the Public Complaint Commission.
What was your major take home from the event?
I learned today that there are so many things that we Nigerians or we citizens have not really known, and this has made our eyes open to so various things that, okay, as a normal average citizen like me, I can actually come here and complain about any inconveniences, and actions will be taken immediately.
And it's free too.
Yes,
Thank you so
it's
much.
free.
Thank you so
ma'am.
much. I
Yes,
look forward
ma'am.
to seeing you again.
Yes, ma'am.
Follow
Thank
the
you, ma'am.
Ombudsman's radio immediately. Tell us your names.
My name is Shitita Otatu Adeshewa.
So, can I call you Adesha?
Yes,
Okay. All right, Adesha, tell us where you are coming to the Public Complaint Commission, and you've gotten here now, and you've heard all the speakers speak about the Public Complaint Commission. Were your expectations met today?
That mostly everybody has the right to come here to lodge complaint. Whether you are illiterate or not, you are free and it is open. Whether social media, you can contact them through social media, any website, just www.pcc.org.ng.
Okay, so that's your advice that everyone should start coming to the PCC now if they have any complaints.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Adeshewa. Thank you. Okay, then it's still the IBB University Lapai visit. The students have come, of course, to the Public Complaint Commission to see what the services of the commission is about. And we're going to be talking with
Mohammed Kanadi.
Oh, Mohammed, tell us. You have listened to the directors, you have listened to the representative of the secretary talk today. Tell me, what is your take home about this event?
My take on about this event most especially is when he talked that complaint will be lodged freely without any payment.
Fantastic. And are you telling everybody who's watching you that run over to the PCC?
Yes, that PCC is an independent body that entertain government agencies, private sectors, and also companies. So you can lodge your complaints to PCC to find the remedy to your cases.
Fantastic.
Free of charge.
Fantastic. What else can I say? You've heard it all from the students of the Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida University, La Pai. And they have been here, of course, they have seen, they have conquered, and they know more about the PCC.
I am Shoaib Shitu, a staff of Department of Political Science, IBBU University, La Pai. We are here on excursion to Public Complaint Commission. And we have really learned a lot here today. The PCC, I perceive it to be a toothless bulldog. I thought they are not doing anything serious here. But on practical experience here, I think with PCC, we have a very peaceful Nigeria where nobody is fighting one another. There will be peace because, as we were taught, one of their aim is to resolve issues peaceful without winner or loser. And that is what we have seen today. And our students have learned a lot. And we will also take it up by spreading this. We have had your social media contacts and links. We will take it up. And because many Nigerians are not really informed about PCC. And that is why, issues that are supposed to be reported and resolved are not reported. So with the coming of IBB, I think we will form a PCC group in IBB, student group.
Yes, Ombudsman Club.
Ombudsman Club. We are going to form that to enlighten students to know their right, limitation, and where to report whenever their right is infringed upon. Thank you very much.
I am Dr. Kamar Hamza. The essence of communication is to make people to be aware. And that's one of the first rights in a democratic government. So the essence of PCC, we have learned that today, like you mentioned earlier, the enforcement aspect of PCC is what a government agency can do, even within the legislative arm of government. It could even move and then enforce through the courts. I think that's a beautiful one. And that was why he said the PCC is not only an ordinary bulldog, but a bulldog that has teeth to bite. So this one is a great experience for our students, because from the experience that they have had, those who did presentations gave even practical experience of the agencies they had interacted with. And even when they ask questions on the military, that there are things that they cannot investigate within the military, the answer he gave was very clear. He said these agencies have their own criteria, they have their own systems, they have their own code of conduct through court martial and other things. But things that are beyond that, within civil-military relations, PCC can still intervene. I think this is a good thing to learn about. And these are things that we could write. When you people are mentioning this, we are looking at the theory, like I mentioned. We did with theories a lot. We are looking at the theory of governance, executive, legislature. Like I mentioned earlier, the legislature, when they do investigation and do all things, and people who are shouting, they've investigated this, I always tell people they don't have any powers beyond investigation, frankly. But with the PCC, the powers are after beyond. Yes, they move to. I think that's a good one. I'm so happy with this. And our students will take something home. Very great things. The PCC radio is a very important platform for Nigerians to express their grievances. And it's a very good one in which there won't be a winner or a loser. It's a win-win situation. And if you have a win-win situation, like you mentioned earlier, there isn't any adversarial relationship between the two parties that are in dispute. So disputes are resolved amicably without any rancor. I think this is beyond the courts. It's a beautiful one in Nigeria.
Everybody, we are the students of Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida University. Keep listening to Ombudsman Radio.
I'm sure that if you're out there and you want to know more about the PCC, you know what to do. You know our numbers, you know where to follow us. And remember, we're always live on the Ombudsman's Radio to give you more information about the Public Complaint Commission. My name again is Lola Oduba, and until our next live broadcast, see you again.